Once we were young, lost in love's embrace. Now we are just friends with memory to chase. From the innocence of youth to wisdom of a time, it has passed, turning the page. 10 years gone and love has its place in the ebb and flow of life embrace. We may be just friends now, but in our hearts the echoes of a love that once defined. We were once two so close, but now we're apart. Time has changed us. We know who we were, a chance in the journey of life. We have each found our way, but the memories of our love, they will never fade. Gone and love has its place in the ebb and flow of life embrace. We may be just friends now, but in our hearts the echoes of a love that once defined. Time has a way of revealing the truth we couldn't see when we were feeling it. Through the highs and lows, we come to see that love is more than just you and me. 10 years gone and heaven is a